Using the Home tab. Why is the Home tab the first tab?
The tabs in the application are arranged in the order in which you normally would use them. The Home tab is placed first because on a day-to-day basis you'll come back and revisit this particular page. It shows what the overall status is of all your submissions.
What do the colors mean?
I use color coding throughout the application to indicate what the function is of different parts of the display. In this case, blue, for example, is used for hyperlinks. You can jump directly to a story. You can jump to a story from the listing. You can go to a particular publisher from the listing, or jump to a submission.
What's that small horizontal green light in the upper right corner of the screen?
That's a status area. In this case, since it's on the home page, it's showing the overall status of all your submissions. In this case, there are 8 acceptances, 115 pending submissions, and 24 rejected submissions.
What can I update from the Home tab page?
There are 3 things that you can update on the home page. The first thing would be when you receive the result of submission, you can come down and update the date received. In addition, you can also change the date sent if needed, and then finally you can update what the result is of a particular submission.
Can I jump directly to stories, publishers, or submissions for more information?
Yes, in fact the application also remembers where you were last at under a given tab. So in this case, if I go to Science Experiment 17, it'll jump to the Stories tab showing that particular item. If I come to the home page and then go back to Stories, you'll see that it's still at Science Experiment 17. If I go to Publishers, it's at a different publisher. But if I come back to the home page, click on a particular publisher, it'll take me to that, and then I can come back to my home page.
Can I hide my old stories?
Yes, in fact the application as it's currently shown indicates that it's hiding your trunked or retired stories. That's a setting under the customizations. If you go to the About screen under the Help button, click on Customize, and then come down here to Hide Trunk Stories, you can enable or disable hiding of your trunk stories. In this case, I'll again show them, come back to my home page, and now you can see the subtitle on the top of the screen no longer tells you that this information is filtered. Thank you very much. I hope this has been useful in learning how to use the Writer Scribe.